What is going on, guys? It's Cutty here and welcome back. We are starting off in the car. We're going to do a little day in the life. We've got a lot of shoes to ship off, so I thought I'd take you along with me on this journey. However, we've got to start the day off right. We're going to go grab ourselves a Starbucks and I'll see you there.
Hi, welcome to Starbucks. What can I get started for you?
Oh yeah, can I have a caramel macchiato, please? Medium.
Yeah, is that a medium? Yeah, medium one.
And then, can I have cream with that as well, please?
Cream on top?
Yes, please.
Yeah.
And then, can I have a medium hot chocolate, please? No cream on that.
Yeah.
And then, can I get you got two cookies as well, please?
The chocolate cookies?
Yeah, please.
Yeah.
That's everything, thanks.
We'll try around to next week.
Thank you. The bag has been secured. 2 cookies, 2 coffees. Well, 1 hot chocolate and 1 coffee. And no, they are not all for me, you cheeky shits. Let's get home. We've got a lot of shipping to do, and we've also made some good profit, so we'll go through that as well. See you when we get back home. Okay, we are back home. You might notice that a lot of these day in the lives do start at night. This is usually because I have uni in the morning, so I don't actually do a lot of shoe stuff. I mean, sneaker related, cook group stuff, all that sort of admin stuff. I'm a bit of a night owl and I work a lot through the night. So it's currently 11 PM. We are now going to do some admin work, we'll do some more social media work. So we're going to create some posts. I'll actually do a little time lapse for you all guys from there. Tomorrow we got a lot of shipping to do, so that'll be the first thing I do and first thing you see me. We've got backdoor orders from the group to ship out. More unions are coming in. It's a great looking day, to be fair, tomorrow. But yeah, let's get doing some grafting. Let's get these social media posts going. Good morning, well technically it's good afternoon, it's the next day. We had uni in the morning, luckily we got off early because we got a lot of shipping to do. It's currently 1 PM, let's get into some shipping. However, we have 4 pairs of the unions we do need to ship off. Now these are shipping off to the tier 3 members who participated in our backdoor drop. These aren't actually the ones we won from our raffle buying. These are specially for backdoor. We essentially gave members the opportunity in tier 3 to be able to purchase these for only £220, which is just a little bit above retail. We've got 4 pairs to ship off to the people within the group. As I said before, I'm done promoting it by just talking about it. I'm just going to show success. Here's some success of someone in our group. Here's some more. And yeah, this is going to some members there as well. Essentially, it's a group where I teach you guys how to start reselling. Whether you're a beginner, intermediate, pro, and you really want to expand your business, we got all of it covered. We give you 3 different tiers to suit your needs as a reseller. Tier 1, all the sneaker information. Tier 2, all the sneaker information with like random resale, consoles, GPUs. And tier 3, all of that plus one-on-one calls, NFT advice, backdoor. Top link down description will go through to the website if you want to view all the features. If you want to join it, come along, say hello to the community. We've got over 150 people, loads of success, and hopefully I'll see you guys in there. However, let's stop promoting and let's get to shipping these shoes off. Package is done, let's get them shipped off. Whoa, I am absolutely knackered, boys. Shoes packaged, 8 all together to get to the post office, then we're gonna go to the gym, and then we've got some more stuff to do when we get home. A lot of stuff to do. However, can we just talk about the graphics card profit? I bought that for £370 from a ping from one of our monitors in the group, and I've just sold it for 700 quid. Brother, if that ain't good profit, I don't know what is. All them shoes back there, we made some good money on as well. But yeah, man, it's a good day. It's a good day. And I forgot my wallet, for fuck's sake. Back in a minute. Wallet has been retrieved. We are en route to ship off the shoes. We are aborting mission. I've been an idiot basically. The post office is right next to a primary school. It's currently 3:05, absolutely heaving. I do not fancy trying to park or just go outside when all these people are walking around. So aborting mission to KFC. KFC is eyeing up a rice box, so I'm gonna get a rice box, which actually works out quite good because I was gonna get one after, and I thought, well, if I'm going to the gym after, that's probably not the best idea. So we're gonna get a rice box now, eat that, then we're gonna come back to the post office, ship the shoes off, and then go gym, and then the food would have settled down by then. So it's happy days, we're driving, life's good, can't complain. See you at KFC. KFC has been secured. Check that for a pre-workout meal. Look at that. Kind of annoyed, so that's for a Sprite. Got the Sprite, tasted like soda water or something. So they're giving me this weird watermelon thing. Right, I'm at the post office now. It's very busy around me, so I probably won't be able to record it, but yeah, let's get these shipped off. Shoes shipped successfully. That's a lot of posters to do. They were not happy. One of my biggest pet peeves is angry post office staff or delivery drivers. Like, I don't understand it. They get paid to do it, and even DPD drivers get paid per parcel. So why are you mad? Rant over though, we delivered them, we also went to the gym, we're back from the gym, and it is currently 8 o'clock, which I think is what we started at yesterday when we grabbed the old Starbucks. That has concluded the 24 hours day in the life. It's been a very hectic day for me. I even got a new bed. Yeah, peep the fresh bed. Look at them fresh covers as well, eh? We can run through the profits. As I said before, the graphics card made us a lot of money, upwards of £330. The Jordan 1 lows made us a brick flip of £15. The Valentine's was a very brick flip. I think we only broke even on that, but I'm glad to get them gone. And StockX has just released 50% off the seller fees, so I'm going to be listing up probably these Sakai's. I'll get these gone. These are still from Crep City, still got the price tag that I had from Crep City, and we've got a lot of stock as well that we'll list up too. What other shoes we shop off? The Unions, that was backdoor for the members. Oh, I've got to enter some raffle entries for raffle botting. I've got to update the channels for the group, say hello, probably run some giveaways in there as well. We like to have our fun, especially on a weekend. And then I'm going to kick back and relax and watch the football tonight. But yeah, I said it in one of my previous videos on the day in the life. If you haven't started reselling, just do it. Honestly, just do it. This is no word of a lie. I have a mate who wanted a bit of extra cash. He knew nothing about reselling. I said to him, try this for a month. I'll let you in for a month free. Obviously, I'm not going to do that for all of you guys. But I let him in for a month. He knew nothing before. He asked me a lot of noob questions, but that's what we're here for when we're in the group. I know, I gave him some help here and there. He just followed all the channels in the group, learnt about reselling himself, and he made like £250 in that month. 250 quid just from knowing nothing. So imagine when in a year's time he's got a bit more experience about it. He's going to be upwards of making a good amount of money. Probably nearly the same as what he's earning right now, just from reselling. And it's fun. It's as fun as anything. I don't want to flex or anything, but I enjoy reselling. And I could do it as a full-time thing. The only problem with that is I don't know reliability. I don't know what's going to be like in 5 to 10 years. So that's why I still work full-time. And if you're wondering how I'm doing a day in the life if I'm working full-time, why don't you go to work? I've currently got 2 weeks off, but it's not off. I've got to do my uni work in these 2 weeks. So I'm a bit more flexible. So that's why I'm being able to record a lot more, but when I'm actually on the job a lot more, things get a bit hard in terms of taking my camera everywhere. We still do reselling, obviously. I still do everything for the group. It's just usually I struggle to obviously record everything because it's a bit hectic. I might be on the way to work, I'll pop into JD, might pick up a couple of shoes, and then I might, you know, ship off a couple of shoes on the way back from work. It may even be like, you know, 2 AM in the morning, I'll drop it off at the priority post box thing. It's a bit hectic when I'm working, but when I'm uni, I'm chilling. I can create content for days. But yeah, that is going to round off today's video, guys. Top link down in the description below if you would like to join the cook group, as I've shown you all the success before. Hopefully, I will see you in there. Apart from that, good luck in all your releases, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Drop a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to the channel.